The legendary American motorcycle manufacturer Harley-Davidson has officially unveiled its long-awaited model, the Panhead 2026. The new bike brings back one of Harley's most iconic names from the past, combining timeless styling with cutting-edge technology. It's designed to appeal not only to traditional Harley loyalists, but also to a new generation of riders who expect modern performance and connectivity. In this detailed report, we'll look into the design, performance, technical specifications, market position, competition, expected pricing, and what makes the 2026 Panhead a major milestone for Harley-Davidson. Background and legacy. Harley-Davidson's name has been synonymous with freedom, open roads, and American craftsmanship for over a century. The Panhead name first appeared back in 1948, referring to a type of engine that featured aluminum pan-shaped rocker covers. The engine became an instant classic and remains one of the most recognized symbols of Harley's golden era. Now, more than 7 decades later, Harley-Davidson is reviving that name for a brand new model, the Panhead 2026. According to company insiders, the project began several years ago with the goal of creating a motorcycle that captures the nostalgic essence of the original Panhead, but meets the expectations of today's riders in terms of technology, efficiency, and ride quality. This revival isn't just about bringing back an old name, it's about reviving a spirit. The Panhead 2026 blends the aesthetic of vintage Harleys with innovations that make it ready for the roads and riders of the 21st century. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Panhead 2026 is a modern V-twin engine, carefully tuned to deliver the signature Harley rumble while offering refined performance. The engine features advanced fuel injection, liquid cooling, and optimized thermal management to ensure efficient operation and consistent power delivery across different terrains. Harley has worked on improving both torque and throttle response, giving the Panhead 2026 that muscular low-end pull that fans expect. Early reports suggest that the engine will deliver impressive torque figures while maintaining smooth acceleration and improved fuel economy compared to previous generations. Additionally, the bike complies with global emission standards, making it cleaner and more efficient than any of its predecessors. Braking, suspension, and handling safety and comfort have been major focuses in the new design. The Panhead 2026 comes with a dual-channel ABS braking system, traction control, and cornering assist technology to provide maximum grip and confidence in various riding conditions. The suspension setup has been completely re-engineered, featuring upgraded shock absorbers, adjustable damping, and high-travel front forks for better control and comfort. The bike rides on wide-profile tires designed for superior stability and road grip, ensuring smooth handling whether you're cruising on highways or taking sharp corners. Overall, Harley has managed to retain the heavy metal feel that defines its motorcycles while improving agility and responsiveness. Design and aesthetics. The Panhead 2026 is a masterpiece that bridges two worlds, the nostalgia of the past and the innovation of the present. From a distance, it looks unmistakably Harley. Bold tank curves, a large circular headlamp, a chrome-finished exhaust system, and the wide stance posture that has defined the brand for decades. Yet, a closer look reveals contemporary detailing, full LED lighting, daytime running lights, and a digital TFT display integrated seamlessly into the dashboard. The seat has been ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, and the handlebar positioning allows for relaxed, yet controlled, riding posture. The bike is also expected to come with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation integration, and ride customization modes, blending old-school character with new-age intelligence. The build quality, as always, looks solid and premium, carrying Harley's craftsmanship to the next level. Eco-friendly engineering. Harley-Davidson has emphasized environmental responsibility in recent years, and the Panhead 2026 follows that philosophy. The new V-twin engine is compliant with international Euro 6 emission norms and other regional standards. It uses optimized combustion technology to reduce emissions while maintaining high torque output. The fuel system and transmission have also been re-engineered for better mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in Harley's heavyweight segment. Market importance and strategy. The 2026 Panhead launch carries symbolic and strategic importance for Harley-Davidson. After facing tough global competition and a shifting market toward electric and mid-range motorcycles, Harley aims to remind the world of its roots, big, bold cruisers that define the spirit of freedom, attracting younger riders through modern features, safety systems, and connectivity. Expanding global reach, offering a model that complies with multiple international standards for easier exports. Balancing nostalgia with practicality, appealing to both classic collectors and everyday riders. The Panhead 2026 is not merely a throwback, it's Harley-Davidson's statement that tradition can pricing, availability, and launch plans. Harley-Davidson has not yet revealed the exact pricing, but industry sources suggest the Panhead 2026 will be positioned in the premium cruiser category, sitting between the Softail Heritage Classic and the Road King Special. However, Harley's biggest advantage remains its brand legacy, unmatched emotional appeal, and a loyal global fan base. If priced strategically, the Panhead 2026 could bridge the gap between heritage and modern comfort better than any rival. Public expectations and early impressions. Among motorcycle enthusiasts and reviewers, excitement is already high. Online forums and biking communities have flooded with discussions about the revival of the Panhead name. Many riders are hoping it will capture the raw mechanical feel of older Harleys while offering the smoothness of a modern machine. Potential buyers expect a signature Harley sound, deep, throaty, and powerful. Smart features like GPS navigation, smartphone connectivity, and riding modes, long ride comfort, including upgraded suspension and ergonomic seats, ease of maintenance and availability of spare parts globally. If Harley can deliver these, the Panhead 2026 will likely become one of its most celebrated models in recent years. Final thoughts. The Harley-Davidson Panhead 2026 stands as a tribute to the brand's glorious past and a confident leap into its future. It captures everything that Harley represents: power, style, individuality, and mechanical artistry, while embracing modern expectations like safety, comfort, and technology. If executed well, the Panhead 2026 could redefine Harley-Davidson's place in the modern motorcycle era. It may even set a new benchmark for what a modern classic cruiser should be. One thing is certain: the name Panhead once again echoes across the motorcycling world, reminding everyone that legends never die. They simply evolve.